Hey everybody, I'm Adam Black. I'm a mortgage professional with nearly 20 years of experience. And today, in step 3 of our Home Buyer Roadmap series, we're going to dive into a topic that's often a bit confusing for homeowners, the mortgage pre-qualification and pre-approval process. I'm going to break it down step by step so you can confidently navigate this important phase of your home buying journey. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Your engagement fuels this community and it helps others on their path to homeownership. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist on our channel with the entire Home Buyer Roadmap series. Our goal with this series is to simplify the mortgage process, so let us know what else you'd like to know. Now let's get started. All right, first, let's clarify the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. The pre-qualification is the initial step where you provide basic financial information through a client questionnaire or loan application. We'll pull what's called a tri-merge credit report, meaning that the scores will come from all 3 of the major reporting agencies. That's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Now, by the way, a lot of people don't know this. We use that middle score in our industry for qualifying purposes. So take your highest score, take your lowest score, take those out. That middle score is what we call your qualifying score. So we'll take that information along with your employment info, income info, and asset info, and we'll give you an idea of what loan programs you qualify for. Now, in most cases, we'll ask that you provide us with some of the basic documentation, such as like W-2s, recent pay stubs, maybe some bank statements, so we can strengthen your pre-qualification and also make sure we don't see any red flags that could hinder your approval once you're under contract to buy a home. Now, pre-approval is a more in-depth step. In this process, we will gather the docs I mentioned before and anything else we deem necessary, and we'll actually submit that file to an underwriter for their review and approval. That's what we call a credit-only underwrite. They'll basically underwrite your file as if you found a property and are under contract. Only difference is that their sole focus is making sure once you're under contract that there are no hiccups. Once this is done, all that's needed is a purchase contract, satisfactory appraisal, and clear title work once you found that perfect home. A lot of times we'll use pre-approvals when a credit profile is questionable or in situations where a borrower wants to strengthen their offer by removing a financing contingency. They're especially beneficial when markets are hot and multiple offer situations are common. It helps your offer really stand out. While we're talking about buying a new home, if you're in the process, we've added a link below to our Homebuyer Planning Kit, which includes some great resources like an easy to complete budget and a wants and needs list. Now let's get back to pre-quals and pre-approvals. For either process, you can be prepared by having these items close by. We're going to ask for most previous 30 days pay stubs, most previous 2 years W-2s or 1099s if you're self-employed, most previous 2 years tax returns in a lot of cases, most previous 2 months bank statements for any accounts you may use for funds to close, and your ID. That's going to be driver's license, social security card, passport, or a visa. Now, regardless of pre-qual or pre-approval, this is a great time to review, ask questions, and fully understand your credit profile. Any discrepancies or issues on your credit report can be taken care of at that point. So ask if there are items you can address that would improve your scores, because remember, the better your credit scores are, the better loan terms and interest rates you'll receive, which means you have more options. Hey, are you finding this information useful? If you'd like to have a conversation about your own unique situation, please feel free to reach out to me at the phone number or the email on the screen. I'm licensed in almost every state, and I can likely help you craft a mortgage option that fits your needs. Now, another key aspect of both of these processes is full disclosure on your part. You need to tell us everything. Here's why that's crucial. It is vital to disclose all relevant financial information, including obligations not on your credit report. This may include child support, alimony, or any other financial commitments that could affect your ability to qualify. These types of things always come up at some part in the process, believe me, and it's a lot easier for us to navigate them if we know about them before they become an issue. So disclose, disclose, disclose. I cannot emphasize that enough. Disclose everything to your lender. Full transparency ensures that your lender can provide the most accurate pre-approval and we can tailor your mortgage to your unique financial situation. Now, during this process, your LO is not the only one getting the information. I want you to ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification during the pre-qualification or the pre-approval process. Understanding the terms and conditions of your potential mortgage is essential to your success. This is also the point in the process where we'll discuss different loan options and plans that fit your individual needs. Through a report called a total cost analysis, we can easily change the numbers at your request and help you find the perfect loan program, down payment, purchase price, etc. Think of this process like a funnel. we're going to pour a lot of information into the top, and based on your responses, come out of the bottom with the perfect scenario that best fits your needs. Now, by understanding the mortgage pre-qualification and pre-approval process, you'll be better equipped to move forward in your home buying journey. Whether it's the initial steps of pre-qualification or a more depth pre-approval, work closely with your lender and be open and honest about your finances. This is so key. So I hope this info is giving you better insight into the pre-qual, pre-approval process. If so, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll be happy to help. Also, hit that little bell icon so you're notified when we put out more of these videos. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life, and I'll see you in the next video.